So, what do you think? Pretty cool, right?
Cool. This is beautiful, Eddie.
It's a very special place to me.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Do you come here often?
Yeah.
What's so special about this place?
Well, I don't want to make this all sad or anything, but this used to be my mom's spot. And she would always bring me up here to count the stars. And I loved it, every bit of it. And I still do.
I'm sorry to hear about your mother.
Nah, it's all good. She looks after me. And I think she brought me to you. So, it's a blessing. And that's how I want to see it. By the way, I think I didn't ask you. How you been? Like, really been? I don't want no generic bullshit answer like, all good.
I don't want to talk about it.
What's wrong? Hey, look here. I'm not going to tell anybody. Trust me.
Seems like nobody cares about
You
me.
seriously think that of yourself?
Yeah.
You're one of the most beautiful human beings walking on this earth, with so much to give, with so much soul. It breaks my heart that you think that way of yourself. Like, if you could see yourself from my eyes, you wouldn't like to let go. Ever. I don't think you quite understand what I'm trying to go for. You're amazing. You just are, and the best part is that you can experience life. Make the most of it. Make the best out of it. So many people can't do that, or they wish they could just walk out from a fucking hospital bed and come sit here to gaze the stars. Please.
That's true.
You have so much right in front of you, whether you see it or not. And I'm grateful for you sitting here with me and for actually listening, for giving a fuck. And that's all that matters to me right now. Nothing else.
Since there's a lot of people who don't care about me, who want to see me sad.
Your past doesn't define you. Always remember that. You have all the tools in your hands that you need right now.
Mm-hmm.
And you can mold your future just the way you like it. I already found mine. It's you. I love you.
I love you too, Eddie.
Look, a shooting star. Make a wish.